Well, your parents, I'm going to help you with something. Who here got kids? All right, who got kids that ain't grown? Okay, this for y'all. Okay? The ones that's got kids that's already grown, it's too late. You probably already experienced it. But for the ones who kids ain't grown yet, here's some advice. Do not tell your kids what you do not want them to do. I remember one time, let me tell y'all this first. We're going to do another commercial break. If you go to the mall, Walmart, y'all know what a mall is, right? If y'all go to the mall, they got these little plastic clips that you can put in electrical sockets. Do it. I remember one time when I was about one of these kids' age. How old are y'all? How old are you, baby? You 10? How old? 15? 13? Anybody 8? I was about your age. Don't try this at home. Okay? The actions of this comedian and this comedian alone do not reflect those of this church. Okay? I had a bread tie. Let me tell you why they put plastic bread ties on now. Because if you take the wire ones and you tear the paper off, I can tell you where they don't belong. They don't belong in that socket that you put the plastic plug in. I was serious, man. I was curious, man. It's small. There's a hole. It looks like it'll fit. Oh, that ain't nothing. Stick it in one side, don't get nothing. Maybe it's broke. So I bent the cord around. Y'all know what's coming, right? I bent the cord around. I stuck the other side in the other hole. I see the light. I see the light. Actually, I didn't see the light. I cut off the power in the whole building. This was at a daycare. That was in the middle of feeding all the other kids. I got beat for that one too.